Do you have a business interruption insurance? Hi, I'm Christopher, IRS Certified Acceptance Agent, tax professional, and a business owner. What is a business interruption insurance? So basically, it covers physical damage because of the disaster. What are physical damages? For example, there were flood like that went through your floor and then it damaged your furniture and equipment. According to this article, that it is intended to compensate the income loss during the time necessary to repair physical damage to covered property and may be entitled to insured the recover additional expenses that would not have been incurred during the ordinary course of business. But of course, the problem is this is COVID-19. There might not be physical damage. Then currently, one of the only ways for a business to recover its losses due to COVID-19 is looking on the infectious disease coverage in the unprecedented situation. So therefore, what can I advise to you guys? Okay, I'm not an insurance agent. I'm just giving you information that maybe what are the ways you can do are three things. Number one is stay informed. Number two, get hold of your insurance agent. Whoever had that policy, you have to contact the company, review all your policies, make sure that you have copies of all your insurance and review them with your agent. And number three, document all your losses. This is with the accurate bookkeeping. Accurate and up-to-date bookkeeping report that you have to submit with your insurance if ever you have this coverage. So what are you waiting for? Do you have it right now? If you have it, check it. Then contact your insurance agent. Again, thank you for watching Why Coffee Break, and if you have more questions on your books, payroll, and taxes, we are here to help you even for the PPP forgiveness. Because here in Why Coffee Break, your success is our business. Stay safe. Hi guys! Welcome to our Why Coffee Break, and we are giving away face masks. This is what you call the Why Coffee mask. How would you be able to qualify? The first thing that you have to do is just share any of our Why Coffee Break videos on your page or on your personal account, and every week we will do the raffle. Right? So if you're lucky, we are going to ship the mask on your address. You don't have to come to the office. We're going to ship it to you. Therefore, this is a reusable mask. All you have to do, you can use it anywhere. Right? So you see, this is part of our contribution, the WYCOTAX contribution to the community to prevent and stop the spread of COVID-19. So, what are you waiting for? Share us today. Stay safe.